Hey everyone, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. And as I always say in these videos, drink your tea. If you've watched me before, you're going to be sick of me saying this, but I always want to say it for people who might have just tuned in to see this video for the first time and explain to them what Sips By is. Kind of a discovery tea box. It is a monthly tea subscription box. Quickly on the stats, it's $15 per month and free shipping in the United States. Whether you're a tea lover or kind of just starting to get into teas as I was, I really wasn't a tea lover until I started getting this box. Sips By has really introduced me to so many neat brands. They work globally with tea brands, so you're getting a very unique, personalized box. And if you also look on their website, you can see that they offer so many different things: mugs, tea accessories, individual teas. They also have specialty tea boxes, for example, for holidays, for Valentine's Day, for small businesses.
So I thought I would take you to the Sips By website quickly to see the tea box we're going to be talking about today. If you go to the area where it says shop and then go to the tea boxes, you will see all the different specialty boxes that Sips By has. And today's tea box unboxing is going to be the Bridal Tea Box. Yes, the Bridal Tea Box. I am super excited. This will be a great tea box for anyone getting married. I know it's difficult right now because of the problems with the coronavirus, but you can always send someone a bridal tea box as a gift. This box can be purchased as a one-time gift for $15, or you could give a gift of a 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month Sips By box gift card.
And then I'm going to take you to my Sips By tea box. We're going to unbox it together, and I'm going to pick one of the teas to steep on this video.
Sips By tea boxes always come to you in these very compact cardboard boxes, and then when you open the box up, there's always a little postcard in there that tells you what is in the box. For example, if you get their monthly boxes, you'll see something like a January, February, March, April card in there. But for these specialty boxes, they will also include a card. So this specialty box is the Bridal Tea Box, and if you flip that card over, you'll be able to see all the teas that are included in this box. At the top, it says, "Congratulations, bride. The box was designed with you and your beautiful wedding in mind. Use it as a form of self-care and stress relief when you brew yourself a nice cup and draw yourself a relaxing tea bath. Let the experience be a mindfulness practice to remind you to sip, slow down, and take in all the love on your big day." And then if you look below that, it also tells you the teas. Included in this box is the wedding tea by Harney and Sons. It shows you how to steep the tea. It tells you the ingredients and the caffeine level. Below that, we have included Tuscan Dreams by Fiori, Breakfast in Paris by Stash Tea, which is my high caffeine tea, and Cinnamon Rose Black Tea by Miss Tea, and that's also a high caffeinated tea. And then also under that card is another card, and this is a really nice idea. It's a card that tells the bride, it gives them directions as to how to make a very relaxing tea bath. It gives instructions, and it also tells you which tea in the box would be the best tea to use to make the bath smell wonderful. And they suggest using the Fiori tea because it's made with lavender blossoms, rose petals, orange blossoms, apple pieces, linden tree blossoms, sweet blackberry leaves. So it's kind of a very fruity, floral scent, and that would make the bath smell wonderful. Included in this box are Sips Buys reusable muslin cloth tea bags. There must be some loose tea in here, and they always include those bags to be helpful for using the loose tea. So in my box, I have the Breakfast in Paris tea by Stash Tea. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of those. I have a large packet of the Tuscan Dreams tea by Fiori. This is the one they recommend you using in the bath. There's also a large packet of the Cinnamon Rose Black tea by the company Miss Tea. And then finally, there's this beautiful tin. I think this is such a great gift for the bride. This is the wedding tea, and it's by Harney and Sons. It comes in such a beautiful little tin. Definitely will keep this tin to use for my little stud earrings. That is the bride's box of teas, and I think for my taste test today, I'm going to choose the Cinnamon Rose Black Tea by Miss Tea. That sounds so good. Let's get started. I've been getting the monthly tea box from Sips By and also their specialty tea boxes now for probably close to 7 months, and my whole family loves it. Everybody picks through the teas to pick their favorite ones out. Really have enjoyed this so much. Have thoroughly enjoyed working with the great people at Sips By, and I always have so much fun unboxing these boxes for my YouTube audience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy seeing what's inside these boxes as much as I do. I will leave a link to this bridal box down in my description box, and if I have any promo codes, I will leave those down there also. Take care. Bye-bye from Marla.